Welcome to Safe Decode. You hold a fire extinguisher, one of the most powerful and essential tools for home safety. But knowing how to use it requires more than just pointing and squeezing. To truly master this protocol, you must first master the decision of when to use it, and critically, when to evacuate. This is your comprehensive long-format protocol for using a fire extinguisher safely and effectively. Our first non-negotiable step is the limitations protocol. You should only attempt to fight a fire if three conditions are met. First, the fire must be small and contained, no larger than a wastebasket. Second, you must have the correct class-rated extinguisher for the fuel type. Third, you must have a clear, unobstructed escape route behind you at all times. If the fire is growing rapidly, if the smoke is obscuring your vision, or if the flames are blocking your primary exit, your only protocol is to drop the extinguisher, evacuate, close the door, and call emergency services. Assuming the fire meets the criteria, the second phase is inspection and classification. You must confirm that the extinguisher is the correct type. Fires are categorized by their fuel. Class A, wood paper, Class B, flammable liquids, Class C, electrical, and Class K, cooking oils. Most residential extinguishers are ABC rated, dry chemical, offering wide coverage, but you must check the label to confirm. You should also have been performing monthly maintenance. Ensure the pressure gauge is in the green zone, the safety pin is secured, and the inspection tag is current. A non-functioning extinguisher is just a useless, heavy object. Now, for the core operational procedure, the 4 actions that save lives, known as the P.A.S.S method. P stands for pull. Locate the safety pin or locking clip near the handle and pull it out completely. This breaks the tamper seal and arms the unit. If the pin is not removed, the handle will be locked, wasting precious seconds. A stands for aim. You must aim the nozzle low, pointing directly at the base of the fire, not the flames themselves. The flames are merely the visible heat. The base is where the fuel is located, and you must hit the fuel source to break the fire tetrahedron. If you aim high, you are only dispersing the agent into the air. S stands for squeeze. Now you squeeze the handle to discharge the extinguishing agent. Do this steadily and deliberately. Remember that most home extinguishers discharge their entire contents in a very short amount of time, often only 8 to 15 seconds, so hesitation is costly. Maintain a continuous pressure for the most effective application. Stands for sweep. Finally, sweep the nozzle slowly from side to side across the base of the fire until all visible flame is extinguished. Continue to watch the area after the fire appears to be out to ensure there is no reignition. The final phase is the post-action protocol. Even if the fire appears out, you must maintain vigilance. Immediately step away slowly while facing the area, ensuring your escape route is clear. Contact the fire department, even for a small fire, to have them inspect the area for hidden embers or deep-seated combustion within walls or materials that could reignite hours later. The extinguisher you used must be recharged or replaced immediately. Never put a partially used extinguisher back on the wall, as it will likely not function when needed next. Mastering these procedures, from the critical decision to fight or flee to the 4 operational steps and the final safety check, is the true meaning of the Safe Decode protocol. Thank you for dedicating this time to mastering your safety tools.